I really like quiet mornings like this. Being outside now in spring that it's warmer, it's just the best feeling, with a freshly brewed cup of tea, peppermint tea, from the own garden. Along with a good book. I finally started The Honey Witch and I really like it so far. The cover looks so pretty. It's absolutely fitting for this vibe. This breeze is so nice. Can't believe that it's already warm enough to sit outside like this in the morning. In my garden, I love it. So I will enjoy my morning a little bit more, read a little bit more, until I'm hungry. Then I think we should make a treat.
Has been bringing me down for so long now. I'm tired of the fight. That's why I'm trying to wake up with a new mind, new eyes, new way of looking at life. So come on, come on, come on, hey. I look up into a sea of people reaching out for love. No, you ain't gonna tell me, gotta pick a side in the war. Need a little something more to fill my soul. Get it off my mind, what's been on my mind? Get it off my mind, yeah. Ready for the world to end. I don't need the answer.
These are the pancakes. They're not as red as I would have expected for red velvet pancakes. They have a hint of red, but it's really hard to see. And I decorated it really ugly. Basically, I didn't decorate it, but let's try it. I love pancakes.
of my dreams, to the alleys and the streets where I run to a holy place of secrets, taking all my memories as I go. It's only slightly ordinary when I hide to keep my eyes open. See the folding ribbons tying up my bones. It's the only gift worth giving from the years of all the living that I've done. Whoever finds it in my heart will find gold. It's cold as ice when it turns to night and I start drifting. All around there's a hollow sound and I start listening. Call on me when I'm awake and true. Now I'm raising up my anchor and leaving all my flags out on the beach. I could be there if I wanted, but dreams are often better out of reach. Holding the meaning as I go. Whoever finds it in my heart find gold. It's cold as ice when it turns the tide and I start drifting. All around is a holy sound and I'm still listening. Call on me when I'm awake, sharing this treasure I've made in truth. first to speak. I came back to the house where we both grew, and I knew you, and you know me. I always thought I'd be seeing you. Was this an accident? What could change in a single evening? Could I have helped to keep your heart together? I am waiting for an answer. But what if I don't like what I hear? What if I reached out and no one answers? What if pride is our real disease? Well, I guess I'll be seeing you. Would you mind saving me a seat? I don't think I care much now for answers. Next to you is where I'd like to be. Did you know how much I love you? Do you think we said that one enough? The past became a road to sorrow. I've never seen Mom like this, but I can pick up where you left off. My light's gone out, so I'll borrow yours. I am waiting for an answer. Will you be the first to speak? I came back to the house where we both grew, and I knew you, and you know me. I always thought I'd be seeing you. Was this an accident? What could change in a single evening? Could I have helped to keep your heart together? I am waiting for an answer. But what if I don't like what I hear? What if I reached out and no one answers? What if pride is our real disease? Well, I guess I'll be seeing you. Would you mind saving me a seat? I don't think I care much now for answers. Next to you is where I'd like to be. Did you know?
So this is my taste test for both the bread and for my self-made honey. I love the consistency. It is a little runny, but I think it will be very tasty. I added it only to one slice of bread so far. So let's taste it. Cheers! Mmm. Mmm. I also picked the first strawberries from the garden and put it in this little strawberry bowl that I recently bought. This is brand new. This is the first time using it, but I saw it and I was like, I need to put strawberries in there. I need to use it for strawberries. And today I did, even though I only have 4 small strawberries. But our plants are full. They're hanging full. They just need to redden and ripen and become very delicious. And maybe next week I'll already be able to bake my first strawberry cake. I'm so excited. Let's try the first strawberry of the season, of this year. You can't imagine how much I missed strawberry season. I will eat nothing but strawberries for weeks. When all the strawberries are ripe, this will be breakfast, lunch, and dinner every day. So good. It wants to focus on my face and it's irritated by the strawberry. The last one. Yummy. It's so good. So I will continue to eat a little of my bread with my self-made honey. And I think that will be the end of my perfect spring day vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed spending the day with me, mostly outside in nature. But the weather is just perfect for that. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for spending this day with me. And I hope you also have an amazing day or evening or morning or whenever you're watching this. I hope you're having a magical time. And then I hope to see you in the next video.